Hello, my name is Rose. Today's video is going to be called Computers for Beginners. When you turn on your computer, in front of you appears a screen with a desktop background and icons or little pictures on the side and a little bar down the bottom. Now this bar is called the taskbar. What it is it contains a start menu, internet, well that is Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Windows Media Player and a folder. But all taskbars are different. I just set my taskbar to include them. Now over in the far right you have your time, your date, your speaker, your internet, and then on your desktop you have your icons on your left, and what the icons are, they contain programs, files and pictures, and they can contain other things as well. The programs are these icons here: the recycle bin, the video capture, the Google Chrome. And then the folders are these here. They actually look like folders, so you can just click on them and then they bring you in, and you can find other folders and files in there as well. What other things are on there as well can be videos, such as this here, pictures, and these things called files, and documents as well. What they are, documents are like where you can have letters or anything with writing in it. What we're going to do over here is we're going to right click on the desktop background, and then you have a series of words such as view, and it has a little arrow. They bring you on to options such as large icons, medium icons, small icons. They can choose how big you want your icons to be. Now you can also sort your icons by name, size, item type, date modified, and down at the bottom of that is refresh. Now you can refresh your desktop by just clicking on it. Then if you have anything that you want to copy and paste on, we'll do that later on in the next video. You can paste means that just copying it from one place and putting it onto another place. That's what paste is. So underneath that you have undo, which is basically delete the previous action that you did, or undo it. Underneath that we have new, screen resolution, gadget and personalize. New is where you can create new folders and shortcuts. We'll also be doing that later on. Underneath that we have screen resolution. You can set your screen to a certain resolution. Then we have gadgets and personalize. Now we'll go into personalize, and then we'll go on to unsave. You have unsaved theme here, and then underneath that you have Windows 7, architecture, characters, landscapes, and nature and scenes. These are just themes that you can set your background picture to. Like I've got mine on Windows 7 at the moment, but you could change it on to architecture and characters. But the only thing I would say about your desktop background is try not to make it too much on the screen, because you need to be able to see your icons on the screen. And down here we have basic and high contrast themes, such as high contrast black and white, sorry, late right now. And then over on the left we have your control panel home, your change desktop icons, change mouse pointers, change your account, change your account picture, display, taskbar and start menu, ease of access center. And over here we have your desktop background, your window color, your sounds and your screensaver. Now your screensaver is it's like when you don't do anything for ages on your computer. A screensaver is just there to make sure that your computer doesn't use up so much energy, and then like it just goes black and has a little thing swirling around, and I'll show you them now. You can actually pick bubbles, mystify photos and ribbons. Say if you wanted to choose bubbles, I wonder, like you can have those little bubbles popping up there. Now, and then you just press apply afterwards. Then you have sounds as well, and window color. The next thing I'm going to be showing you is the start menu. On the start menu you have all these here. Basically they're all just programs such as your calculator, your notepad, your Microsoft Word, your Paint, and you can have other things on here too, like the Vegas Pro and the screen recorder, and antiviruses. Antiviruses are very important for protecting your computer. Okay, on the next video I am going to be going more in depth in these programs, so please watch, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.